At nandito tayo ngayon sa may Odaiba. This is the Diversity Tokyo Plaza. So this is the Tokyo Gourmet Stadium, friend. Parang food court nila. Pang mall dito sa may Odaiba is Aqua City.